Mom, why we should always bake cookies? It takes so long.
We need to cook the flour. That's why we are baking the cookies.
Why can't we make cookies without baking, Mom?
Yes, why not? Let's try.
Ingredients: mixed nuts, brown sugar, melted butter, cocoa powder and cookie cutters. Take the blender, add mixed nuts and sugar. Cover the lid. Grind until you get coarse powder. Take a bowl, add nuts, flour and melted ghee until you get a soft dough. Take a small amount of dough. Now keep and press it on the cookie cutter. It's ready. I'm going to refrigerate this now. Meanwhile, I'm going to prepare a chocolate sauce. Take a bowl, add cocoa powder. Add sugar. Add melted butter. And add some water. Now mix it well all together. Now the chocolate sauce is ready. Keep some water in a pan. And place this bowl. Keep stirring so that you get a smooth silky cream. After refrigerating, take the tray and pour the chocolate sauce on it. Now it's ready. I'm going to refrigerate it for another 5 minutes. Take out the tray and garnish with cashew powder. Now the delicious cookies are ready. Mom, it's raining outside. It looks so beautiful.